guys, welcome back to Minute Family Farm. We are just done moving the ducks. The older ones, we have 6 more in here. We got, we think, 2 jumbo pecking, a regular pecking, and 3 Kentucky Camels. So they were 6 weeks old about a month ago. Got them from our neighbors just in town here. Tractor Supply was getting rid of them. They were giving them to her for free. Granted, they made her buy feed and all that other stuff. So she didn't want them anymore, so we picked them up for free, and they are going to join our older ones here. Now I just got to wrangle them up. That's the last one. Nice and soft. Beautiful. Oh, I'll turn you guys around here. They seem to be doing just fine. Let's see if I can flip this around here. They are already mixing and mingling and jumping under the water and stuff, so I think they'll be doing just fine. But what we're gonna do with the shed behind me is put bees in here over winter so they don't freeze like they did last year. Can't afford another big loss like that. So we had all of our hives freeze last year. Ended up pulling another 60 pounds off of the hives that bit it. And then we went from 0 hives, bought 2 nukes, and then went all the way up to, water's overflowing, 20 hives. We have, right now, we have, you just staying in there? Flops out. 12 nukes right now, and then we have 8 that are, grown out. Eight nukes that are grown out and big enough, actually 9 now, so we're at 21. And then we've already pulled honey off a lot of those from the summer. So hopefully this fall float picks up. It's cold at night, so it's gonna hurt us a little bit on honey. They're gonna be eating that. But maybe we'll watch the ducks here. They're already fighting. So this is what you call trying to figure out their pecking order. So overall we have about not five, there's 25 ducks total. So the range for ducks is anywhere between 4 to 6 females per male per drake. So we'll have to go around and see how many males we got. Last year we had way too many, so we had I think one male or two died just because of them fighting for over females. And then we had a male recently die from the coop door opened up, so it opened up at 2 a.m. They were sleeping next to the fence and something came up and snatched one by the head, ripped its head and neck out and guts, and then saw the body actually pressed up against the fence to where you could see that the wings and stuff caught the fence, and then it just ended up losing its head. But that's the only one for this year. We have combined the chickens' electric fence and the ducks. So they have quite the area to run around and stuff. So they got 2 pools. So I combined their two coops together in like a little train or sled. I just pull around with the tractor. So the next couple pools, they will be heading over to the greenhouse for the winter. We got to empty the pumpkins and the squash out of that. That's a whole nother video for later and next year. But thanks for watching. Stick around. We got some more products coming out. It's more of our extract line. Stick around. See our coming out with a website, MinnickFamilyFarm.com. We're slowly editing that, getting that up and going. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, obviously YouTube, and check us out at the farmers market from every Sunday. This old couch in Beaver Creek. It's from 12 to 3. We will be there every Sunday from here to the end of October. Thanks guys. Remember to hit that like and subscribe.